I might have to go over the fence. There's like 20. There's like 4 different fish attacking me. I can see it. There we go. To another video. Sorry if it's a little bit windy. There is some wind blowing through, but we are at this pond that is home to some of the biggest fish on the channel. Multiple 5-pounders, 2 7-pounders. So quality fish in here. It's not very big. Here, let me get behind this tree so the wind is blocked a little bit, but yeah, it's not really big, and the water clarity is not the greatest, and it is windy, so it's probably going to stir up that water. So I'm probably going to throw some slow, bigger baits on the bottom, hopefully to get a bite. I think I'm going to start off with like a 6-inch lunker log. It's blue, but it has like a little bit of watermelon in it. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking because I'm sure you guys are sick of the wind if that is a problem. I'm going to get fishing. I actually spooled up my rod with some brand new lines, so that's good because I was really running out. So yeah, let's get to fishing and catch an absolute giant. So guys, got a little Texas rig, and I'm gonna bust out a little 6-inch lunker log here, and the color is green pumpkin blue. So it has a little bit of green pumpkin, but it's almost like a black and blue. It's kind of an in-between. Gotta say though that just this looks so juicy. Look at that. Water level is definitely higher. We've been having quite a bit of rain. I don't know if you guys can just hear like the sound of the wind. It is just not great. I don't know how I'm gonna get over here, but I'll try. Dude, how am I not gonna fall in the water right now? I might have to go over the fence. Maybe I'll put my rod over and I'll just go. Just so that way. My rod is okay. Oh, dude. Oh, I'm gonna fall over. Oh, no, I didn't. Made it. We made it. We didn't die, get wet, or anything. Well, I don't know if you guys have watched the videos from this spot before, but those reeds have never looked like that. They're like all dead. I mean, it's kind of covering the top more right now. So, guys, found a little quiet spot. First spot, 1 hour. Did not catch any fish. I was really hoping to get a big one there, but when you're targeting big ones, you don't always get that big one. So we're gonna rescue the video and hopefully come over here. I've caught so many fish at this spot. It always produces for me. So we're gonna try and catch some fish. Still got that little swim bait tied on there, but yeah, we're gonna try and save this video and actually catch some fish for you guys. And yeah, see you guys at the pond. So guys, on my way to the pond, we're actually gonna be linking up with my friend, and we're gonna try and catch some fish. He's caught a lot of fish here as well. So yeah, just some news. Hopefully gonna catch some big ones. Oh my god. Are they chasing right there? Yeah.
I literally told you I think they're on these.
Oh yeah. These fish are so predictable. You're catching them. But yeah, last time they would just be like right out there. It was the best thing.
It seemed to be.
But it was like hot, and it was like.
Yeah, today's overcast and windy. Come on, God. Hell yeah.
Did didn't even move it. I wasn't even paying attention, bro. I was not even paying attention. What did I say? You don't even have to do anything. Literally don't have to do anything. There you go, bud. Such a nice day out though. The humidity is really, really low right now. Oh my god, I had one blow up on the buzzbait. No way. But what's nice about a buzzbait is you can work it in grassy areas, wooded areas, open water, and you can cover a lot of it, water with it. So you can fish it quickly and efficiently. Just cover an area and just move on. But yeah, 2 wrench things. Hold on, I'm gonna put you on the ground. I see fish right here, so, and they're good ones too. There's like 20. There's like 20. There's a lot.
Red screwdriver and that wrench that has holes, one on each end.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. There's like freaking 20 right there. There's right here. They're still right here. I think I gotta switch up to a Senko or something. What should I switch to? Or should I switch to a trench hog? Yeah, I'll throw a trench hog instead. There's like 20 fish right there. Oh my god, dude, there's fish literally on the freaking bank. Like literally almost on land. They're feeding up on a bunch of minnows. They're super, super pushed up in this stuff. Like it's, oh my god, you guys see that? Dude, they're right there. I want to get up too close. There's no way they don't eat this. They're right there. There's no way. There we go. They're all like attacking it. There's like 4 different fish attacking it. I can see it. No way, they didn't need that. I saw like a bunch of different fish go for it. If these fish aren't eating it, then I might have to bust out this Senko. It's right in front of your face. How are you not eating it? Alright, I'm gonna give it a cast out there. Just gonna cast it out there a long ways, just for now. Wait for the sun to come out a little bit, maybe. Oh, there we go. I didn't even move it. I'm telling you. Don't get in that. He's not big. Oh God. Sorry, bud. Oh my gosh. Don't throw it. Don't throw it. I just felt a bunch of little pecks on that one. Usually the smaller fish, the bigger fish, they don't peck on it like that, so had to let them get it there. Tiny guy. But literally just cast it out there and let it sit, let it fall, and boom, you got him. See ya, bud. There he goes. Just Texas rigged creature baits and Senkos. Just really confidence baits from me, bass fishing. And what's cool is, like, for me, the crack and crawl, I can, if you just swim it, right? And yeah, you can just like swim it and twitch it like that. That's a lot of versatility. It's a soft plastic that you can use to cover water. Soft plastic swim baits, like Texas rig is so versatile. You can throw moving baits, you can just creep creature baits along the bottom, Senkos. I'm just kind of letting it fall, get to the bottom, and then start just creeping it slowly. Okay, so it's on the bottom. A few little twitches, and I like to drag it too. Just raise that rod tip up, and then that kind of elevates the bait, and it kind of falls down, right? That's what those appendages are good for, is you raise it up as when it's going down, those appendages start to move. Now, like if you just like bump it across the bottom, like those appendages are still gonna be moving, but I like sometimes just constantly just lift up, let it go down, lift up, let it go down. I think that's really effective sometimes as well.